So Rigathi Gachagua nĩ akoretwo US for quite some time right now. Na thaa ici nĩ twanjĩtie kũigua some stories gũkũ atĩ thaa ici bũrũri ũhorerete nĩ ũndũ wa Rigathi Gachagua is away. Of course that is very debatable. Tũtingiuga bũrũri ũhorerete tondũ mũndũ ũmwe ndarĩ bũrũri-inĩ. But that is not the point. Nĩ tũrĩkĩtie gũkorwo tũkĩona SABINA Chege akibash Rigathi Gachagua kũrĩa US. Na pia tumeona Peter Munya, first chairman of the Council of Governors. Onake akibash Rigathi Gachagua. Na andũ aya othe apparently me mwena wa William Ruto. Nĩtũronire Peter Munya akiuga atĩ you can't say that tondũ we wĩ wa kĩrĩma atĩ nĩ ũracommand kĩrĩma gĩothe kana no wĩre kĩrĩma gĩothe tũrathi mwena ũyũ. Something that is being seen like arageria kũrũa na Rigathi Gachagua.
Sasa mnamuona ameenda kule ngambo na nchi imetulia kama hako hapa. Si akae huko. Akae kidogo huko. Mnataka arudi kwa haraka? Si akae huko kwanza. Na nimesikia fare ni kama tuchange kidogo, tumtumie fare. Tuchange kidogo. Ha? Ati fare mnatumia warembo peke yake. Nyinyi watu wa bodaboda mko na maneno. Mmesema fare ni warembo
Lakini tusiwaambie mlima chama ni hii. Kwani wewe ndio nani? Sijui mlima, sijui nini. Kuna wengine walikuwa kabla yako. Ama namna gani? Na wengine watakuja. Hata Munya ataondoka, wengine watakuja.
Sijui kama mnakumbuka some weeks ago SABINA Chege alikuwa pale hivyo ameembarasiwa pale hivyo na Farouk Kibet. I don't know if you guys can remember that video. Ni video ya trendire na njira ĩmwe nene mũno. Akiambiwa geuka, huyu mama si anapendeza. It was a very big drama there and a very big embarrassing story. Na thaa ici nĩtũrona SABINA Chege the same person akiumire na gũkorwo akibash Rigathi Gachagua. And there has been a lot of things going on in Mount Kenya about Mount Kenya politics na thaa ici Rigathi Gachagua away. I was assuming that thaa ici Rigathi Gachagua US KK ifati gũkorwo invest 100% on Mount Kenya. Thaa ici nĩguo mafati gũkorwo strategize na kuingira ground ya Mount Kenya. But you're not seeing that. And Rigathi Gachagua is almost returning back to the country. And hapo hivyo itakuwa one of the very big losses for KK people. Ũndũ ũrĩa tũrona magĩka no kuingira kũrĩa mĩcemanio-inĩ outside Mount Kenya. Makiuga ũrĩa Rigathi Gachagua arĩ mũru, makiuga Rigiji amefanya hivi, sijui kule US anaomba pesa, sijui nini mkabila. But you're not seeing, tutiramona makiingira gũkũ Mount Kenya kwĩra andũ this is what has been happening. Nĩguo mũkoretwo mũkĩrwo nĩ Gachagua, no nĩguo kũrĩ. At least something to change the minds of the people. So what is the plan of these people? Mũbango wa andũ aya wa kũingira Mount Kenya nĩ ũrĩkũ? Venye tuliona ma-CS pale hivyo wa Mount Kenya, venye tuliona mkutano ya pale hivyo wabunge wa pale hivyo Nyandarua, which will later be followed by mkutano kule hivyo Nyandarua, which will have no impact. Ama what is the plan? What is the plan? Kuratu ikati thaa ici kwĩna mũbango wa nimekwanjia gũthi Mount Kenya like ground, ile ground of the groundest. Ground of the groundest drama anisha like door to door, kama wale watu wanazungukanga Tuesday na zile makofia big metagwo kanitha ũrĩkũ. Kama watu ũguo nĩguo marauga marenda gũkorwo magĩka. But when are they going to start that? Unajua Rigathi Gachagua kirudi Kenya, hawa watu wataweza kupumua. In fact what they are saying is very right, that Rigathi Gachagua, when Rigathi Gachagua is away, country imetulia kwa sababu hakuna mambo mengi inaaniko. Utire na expose nyingi muno cirathi na mbere thaa ici, tondu expose master yawe. No, the moment Rigiji is back, there'll be no peace. There'll be no peace. So no hoe ado kakina SABINA Chege, akina Peter Munya, instead of addressing Gachagua in a way that does not add votes to your basket right now or support to your basket, go to Mount Kenya people. Thaa ici ũrĩa Rigathi Gachagua atarĩ Kenya, thiĩ mumere nĩguo tũrenda na mũkoretwo mũkĩhenio nĩ Rigathi Gachagua. Go do that to the Mount Kenya people. But kwenda hivyo huko hivyo nje kule hivyo Narok, kũrĩa Gĩthii, kũrĩa Taita, muaddress agire Gachagua ko unaona tikirema mura address, it won't bear any fruits. Anyway guys, macio no maoni makwa, nie ndie maoni makwa megie uhoro uyu. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.
I saw the other day a personal assistant to the president, one called Farouk, parading one of our women leaders in a public function and parading her sexuality and asking people to get into a debate on issues surrounding her sexuality.
Huyu mama ako sawa si sawa? Ako sawa. Hata vile alivyo akipinduka mnafurahi siku zote. Huyu mama akiwa kwa kitandani si unalala kabisa Utaamuka kesho ingine sio? Atoshi. Hiyo ndio mambo tunataka.
But I don't blame Farouk. I blame that leader. How do you subject yourself to that kind of humiliation? That thing is not just about humiliating women. It was humiliating the community of Mount Kenya. Just Farouk showing how cheap we are, how useless we are, that he can parade a Kenyan leader, a woman, in front of people and suggestively make some claim.
It is hard to call elected leaders fools. Who are you? And what is your track record for you to be the super person and calling other fools because they are not following you? We started well, and a lot of us supported GACHAGUA. And I would tell you, even within the government, there are many people who supported him. But he has this abrasive way of dealing with things that go off with people. It can be when people don't agree with you, call them names. I would even mention some of the names you have been called and referred to before. It is unfortunate. But you look at what is his track record. From a DO to the PO of Uhuru, to the PO of his own brother, and then he became a single constituency MP. He was not a chair, was not. So the question is he lacking some leadership skills? Because the more he talks, the more he exposes himself. You cannot be an emotional leader. That you are here with the musicians because the musicians have gone to see a rightful deputy president of Kenya, and they have gone to seek for help. And this has happened even at Uhuru's time. The music industry had issues, and they went to the government for those issues to be addressed. Have they been fully addressed? No. So when they go out, then you tell people, don't listen to them. Don't subscribe to their music. It is unfair because it just shows the kind of a leader who is selfish. That if it's not about me, then everybody else is wrong. I don't think that's the direction you need to.